Hey, hot upstairs neighbor, what are you doing now? Your noise scared my cat again.
You're the one below me, right? Sorry, thought daytime noise was more acceptable?
Daytime? It's literally 11 p.m.
Oh, I assumed you were into nocturnal types.
I like him hot, quiet, and single.
Well, I checked the first 2 boxes. Sorry about the third.
Wait, you're not single?
Technically, no, but it's complicated. We've been on a 3-month Cold War.
And yet you're out here flirting like you're free?
You asked if I was single. I said, at night I am.
Wow, you've got Olympic-level wordplay. Does your girlfriend know you flirt this well?
She doesn't live in this building. She can't hear you laugh.
No wonder you're so loud. You're geographically single.
Are you jealous? That's adorable.
Me? No. Just don't want your ghost of a girlfriend haunting me later.
Please. There's only 2 of us in this whole building. If she wants to reach you, she'll have to pass through me first.
Somehow that's not as reassuring as you think it is.
And you being this flirty? Even scarier. Wait, before you do anything drastic, I uploaded our chat to Crush Sign AI. It said your crush level on me is dangerously high, and mine, off the charts.
Oh my god, you're the worst.
But the hottest, right?
Shut up.